top ring catches all the combustion. But if you have like worn out rings, you know, or the gap is too big and it leaks through the crease in this one and then up through whenever you do something like this, you're just putting water and soap on it, you know? So like, if you let it sit, you would want to spray like some WD-40 or some kind of lube or motor oil inside of these because they'll flash rust like pretty quick overnight, especially if it's humid and shit out here. We're gonna need some paper towels, some gyro. It's still getting stripped.
Hey, what's up guys? Just real briefly, I'm just gonna break down what just went down in those couple time-lapse videos. We are working on a B18C1. It's a GSR motor. It comes out of like a 94, 95 Integra. The motor is gonna be going in the EF chassis. Me and my friend Mitchell were working on the bottom end. We got fresh main bearings, rod bearings, piston rings. We got the cylinder walls honed out. We got everything clean and pretty, but we did put a stop to finishing the bottom end We need an oil pump, a water pump, and a timing belt, along with a main seal and a rear main seal. After we get those handful of things, we can continue the process. But yeah, man, I'm excited. But yeah, that's basically everything for right now. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.